In front of me is Honor Pad 8, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Biometrics and Password. Then tap on Lock Screen Password and tap on Change Unlock Method to pick a perfect one for you. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. Now you need to create it and repeat it to confirm it. Then select Done at the bottom right corner. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!